So good afternoon, everyone. Uh, Last time we did practice on WordPress, na, by domain name and password. I provide you domain name and password. Then you log in and then you did practice. Okay. But because of some reason, I'm not able to give you again domain and password क्योंकि उससे website में कुछ problem आ गया था. ठीक है. And so that's why. But I will try you. I will give you another options also. And with the help of that, you can create the website. You can use all the options of WordPress on that. ओके आप वर्डप्रेस का सारा ऑप्शंस पे यूज कर सकते हो विदाउट एनी प्रॉब्लम ठीक है एंड वी कैन मेक वेबसाइट्स आल्सो बट देयर इज ओनली वन प्रॉब्लम that website is not online. Okay, that website is not online. It's mean only you can view that website from your computer. Okay, like last time क्या था आपको डोमेन नेम और पासवर्ड दिया था. Last time I give you domain name and password. Whatever you're doing work on your computer, so anyone can watch, anyone can see that website. Okay, that was live. But right now the another way we are going to try today. So with the help of that, so on that the website will be not live. It will only live on your computer only. Okay, सिर्फ आपके कंप्यूटर पे काम करेगा. ठीक है तो वो हम करेंगे. सो फॉर दैट वी हैव टू इंस्टॉल वर्डप्रेस इन आवर कंप्यूटर. लास्ट टाइम जब हमने वर्डप्रेस इंस्टॉल किया था किस पे किया था in domain. Last time we installed the WordPress on our domain name. Okay, but right now we don't have domain name, so we have to install that WordPress in our computer. Okay, so we can say that VPN server also. Okay, VPN server we are going to install in our computer. So there's an server name is Bitnami. Okay, let me show you the name. Bitnami. Okay, the name is the Bitnami. You have to search on Google and then you have to download this. So now we are going to search on Google. Okay, Google open kiya, then write here the Bitnami Bitnami WordPress. Okay, Bitnami WordPress download you can write here, then search it. ये show करेगा. Then you have to click on this option, install WordPress, download WordPress Bitnami. Okay, then simply click on that. इस पे क्लिक करो. You will get this option. Okay, now see which windows we have in our computer. We have Windows XP or Windows 10, Windows 7. So we have Windows, so we have to choose this option. If you have Apple computer, Apple laptop, so then you have to choose this option, download for OS. Okay, if you have Linux Windows in your computer, then you have to choose this option. But we have the Windows, okay, like Windows 10 or Windows 7, so we have to choose this one. Click here to download this one, and now wait for download. It's going to download. Okay, downloading is complete. Then click the option open. When you click on open, so it will start to installation. Okay, ये install होना start हो जाएगा. Now we have to wait. Some options will come. Click on yes. जो भी options आएगा, you have to click on yes and next to all the options. Okay, and wait. Choose the language English. Okay, continue with installation. Yes. Next. Again click next. कहाँ पे install करना है? The location when you're where you're going to install it. Okay, by default option आ रहा है. Click on next option. Now you have to give the site name here. Okay, your name you can give here. Suppose I'm giving here name. Bosco class. Okay, I'm giving here the name Bosco class. Then you have to write here the email address. Then you have to write here the email address. आप अपना email ID यहाँ पे लिखोगे. Okay. I'm going to write here the email ID, boscocomputerhomework@gmail.com. You can write your email ID, okay? And this email ID will be your username. This email ID will be your username, okay? When you log in, so you have to log in with this name, okay? And you can write here any name like admin you can write. आप यहाँ पे admin लिख सकते हो, but जब आप login करोगे तब आपको वहाँ पे अपना email ID लिखना पड़ेगा, okay? Then write here the password. I'm giving here the password 1 2 3 4 5. Then again here please confirm the password 1 2 3 4 5. Two times मैंने हमने 1 2 3 4 5 लिखा है, okay? I write two times here 1 2 3 4 5 as a password. Then click on next option. Then you can give here the site name. Sorry, here should you give your name, okay? So I am giving here the my name here, okay? Can I'm giving my name next. Then blog name, okay? Blog name is the website name, whatever you're going to give. I'm going to give here the name Bosco class. Then next क्या है इसको? Do you want to configure email support? No, we don't want. Click on next option. Launch WordPress in the cloud with Bitnami. You can click on yes also, or इसको you can remove it also. Next क्या है से? Then again next option. Now we have to wait for some time, okay? It will take few minutes to installation. It will take few minutes more to install. You have to wait for it. But please don't forget the name Bitnami, okay? Bitnami, Bitnami, okay? You have to install this one. Wait few minutes more. It's about to finish, huh? थोड़ा सा टाइम और लगेगा. Then it will give you this message. Okay, allow Apache HTTP server to communicate on this network. Private network such as a home or work network, you have to choose this one. और ये कब होगा जब पब्लिक नेटवर्क होगा, तो हम क्या करेंगे, प्राइवेट नेटवर्क सच एज ए होम और वर्क. ओके, देन क्लिक द ऑप्शन अलाउ एक्सेस. देन वी चूज द ऑप्शन फर्स्ट ऑप्शन एंड देन अलाउ करना है इसको. नाउ वेट अगेन. Now it's finished. Okay, now you have to click the option finish. ये फिनिश हो गया. Then you have to open the browser. Okay, then you have to type here https column slash slash then local host host. Okay, https column double slash localhost then slash then type here wordpress. Okay, WordPress. Then simply press enter. Sorry, इसको एडवांस करो. click on advanced and then click the option proceed to local host unsafe. इसको proceed कर देना, otherwise you cannot open it. Okay, अगर इस तरह का error आएगा तो इसको proceed कर देना. Then please click on the proceed option. So this is our page. I think all of you remember when we create the domain name, हमने domain name create किया था, we install the website. Oh, sorry, we install the WordPress and then we log in the domain name here. So it comes like the same like that. Okay, जैसे हमने domain name बनाया था, याद है आपको, boscodelhi.in, boscodelhi.in/20 SCP. ये हमने बनाया था. ऐसे लॉगिन होता था ना. Now you have to log in with the like this. Okay, localhost/wordpress/ like this in your computer. You have to log in it. Okay, now if you want to do any changes in this, so you have to click here admin admin. आपको यहाँ पे लिखना, क्या लिखना है? admin. I'm going to repeat again. https:// local host /wordpress. अगर ये टाइप करोगे तो ये पेज आपको शो करेगा यहाँ पे. अगर आपको इसका डोमेन वर्डप्रेस में लॉगिन करना है, इफ यू वांट टू लॉग इन द वर्डप्रेस, देन यू हैव टू टाइप हियर आफ्टर द /admin admin, then press enter. It will show this message, username and password. Then you have to write here the email ID, bosco computer homework@gmail.com. ये हमारा email ID था, तो आपको पूरा लिखना है. Then you type the password जो आपने क्रिएट किया था. Then click the option login. When you click on the login option, you will get the same platform. You will get the same platform of the WordPress. Okay, same वही है, देखो. Now अगर आपको pages create करना है, तो you can create the pages also. Just go to pages option, all pages option. यहाँ पे जाके देखो. Okay, just click here, you will get all these pages option. ये by default pages है. मैं एक बार यहाँ पे login भी करके दिखा देता हूँ आपको. localhost WordPress, यही था ना, ये पेज था, by default है हमारा. ठीक है, so we can delete all these pages. इसको क्लिक करता हूँ, इसको क्लिक करता हूँ. आई एम गोइंग टू डिलीट दिस both of the pages. मूव ट्रैश ऑप्शन अप्लाई किया, ये पेजेस डिलीट हो गया यहाँ से. now there's no pages. now I am going to post option also. you can see there's a post option. ये post है, इसको भी मैं यहाँ से डिलीट करता हूँ. I'm going to delete this post also. now if you refresh this, there's nothing, no page, nothing, no post available here. Okay, ना इस पे कोई post है, ना कोई pages है, कुछ भी नहीं है. so now we can create pages here from here. last time जो हमने create किया था. so now click the option, sorry, गलत हो गया. click the pages option, then add new pages. Okay, add new page. and we know how to create the pages. हम यहाँ पे लिख देते हैं HOME home. then click on publish option. एक पेज क्रिएट हो जाएगा होम का. then again new option. about us, publish किया पेज को. again click the publish option. now click here and refresh the page. okay, pages created but we have not mentioned any, हमने अभी तक कोई मेन्यू क्रिएट नहीं किया, इसलिए शो नहीं कर रहा है. okay, so we have to go to the option settings and there's the option, sorry, appearance. appearance में menu options है. we have to click the option appearance and then menu. now we have to create here one menu. so I'm going to create here first menu option. यहाँ पे एक नेम लिखा फर्स्ट मेन्यू एंड गोइंग टू क्रिएट. कहाँ पे क्रिएट करेंगे? प्राइमरी, क्रिएट मेन्यू. when you create this, both of the page will show here. click add new option. यहाँ पे ऐड हो गया है. ओके, यहाँ पे सेव का ऑप्शन है. you have to click the option save. Once you click on the save option, now click here and then refresh this page. You can see now this page is about us and home. So you can arrange, you can just click the home option, इसको select करो, इसको ऐसे ऊपर ले जाओ, ये ऊपर आ जाएगा, ये नीचे आ गया. Okay, you can select the home, you can drag down, drag to the up side, and then again save menu option, then refresh this page. It will show like this, home and about us. Now we have to mention that whenever we open the website, so home page should visual first. Okay, तो यहाँ पे ऑप्शन होता है कौन सा, sorry, there's option reading option. Okay, in the setting there's option reading, setting में option होता है reading. You have to click the option reading, reading option, then click here static page. Which page? Home should be the first page. Then click the save option, save किया. Now refresh this page, so you can see now the home page is visible here. Okay, if you want to post anything in this home page, so just click the option home, pages पे जाओ, all pages, click the option home. There's option you can write here anything if you want. Okay, तो कुछ भी एक मैटर टाइप कर लेते हैं. चलो मैं यहाँ से बॉस्को दिल्ली का वेबसाइट ओपन कर लेता हूँ, यहाँ से कुछ कॉपी करेंगे. ओके, आई एम गोइंग टू कॉपी दिस कंटेंट. ओके, इसको सेलेक्ट किया, देन कंट्रोल सी कॉपी किया, एंड आई एम गोइंग टू पेस्ट इट हियर. इसको आप पेस्ट किया एंड देन अपडेट कर दिया. राइट, अपडेट किया, नाउ वेट फॉर द अपडेट. Then you can directly click on the preview option, or you can click here and then refresh the page. You can see all the details available on the page, but ये difficult है. Okay, so arrange all the things ना, bold italic apply करो ये सब. तो last time मैंने आपको एक option बताया था. Last time I told you one option to install one plugin. Okay, so I am going to click the option install plugins first, and let me show you this. All the plugins are already installed in it. Okay, but we have to install something new. Okay, so that we can change easily the font color, size, all the thing. So we have to click the option plugin and then add new. यहाँ पे एक option होता है classic editor. There's a one option plugin names classic editor. You have to choose the this one, then click the option install. Once you click on install option, first it will download and then install also. Okay, yeah, it is installed. Now you have to activate. इसको activate कर दो. After activate, what will happen? Now if you again go to the all pages option, and if you open the home page, and if you want to change anything, it's very easy to do change right now. Okay, it's not like before. ये पहले जैसा नहीं है. अब कितना easy है. Bold apply नहीं करना है, remove the bold option, update option. You can see now all the letters will come normally. अगर आपको कुछ कुछ चीजें highlight करना है, you want to highlight only few things like this. You want to bold, so apply bold on it, then update this option. Only it will just wait for a moment. It will take some time to apply. ये देखो अपडेट हो गया है. अब आप कोई भी चेंज करना चाहते हो इसके ऊपर इजीली कर सकते हो. यू कैन क्रिएट पेजेस फ्रॉम हियर. यू कैन गो टू द सेट this appearance option again and menu option again. You can create more pages from here, so you can arrange the menu. Okay, so before it to arrange this all these options, we have to create first pages. तो pages पे चलते हैं, add new पे click करेंगे. Click here the add new option. You can create more pages here. Services अपडेटेड कर देते हैं. देन अगेन क्लिक ऑप्शन एड न्यू. एक और पेज क्रिएट करते हैं. क्लासेस, इसको भी पब्लिश किया. नाउ वी हैव टू गो टू अगेन सेटिंग, सॉरी, appearance and menu option. Then we have to bring all these options here also. कौन कौन सा क्लासेस, सर्विसेज, इसको ऐड करना है इसके अंदर. then save menu option. You have to create one more page, that is contact us. तो pages पे चलते हैं, add new पे click करते हैं. Contact us, publish, update. Now go to again here, appearance option, menu option, then we have to arrange. इस पे लिखना है, contact को भी यहाँ पे लिखे आना है. Home option, about us, classes, services. Classes को थोड़ा नीचे भी कर सकते हो आप, चाहे इसको नीचे रहने दो, ऐसे classes, then services, then contact us, and then इसको कर लो save menu option. When you click save menu option, then you can refresh it. You can see all the pages comes here. About us पे click करोगे, if you click on about us, classes, services, this page is empty. We have not write anything in it. अभी तक कुछ भी नहीं लिखा है, इसलिए ऐसे है, ठीक है. Okay, if you want this menu option in the bottom of the screen also, so you can click on secondary menu and then save menu. Then refresh it. You can see all the options come here on the bottom of the screen also, home, about us, pages. Okay, and whatever you want to do changes, आप simply pages पे जाओगे, all pages पे जाओगे. If you have to click on the all pages option, then randomly okay, by one by one you can click on any pages. You can click on that and you can do changes. Okay, आपको जो भी change करना है, कुछ भी update करना है, you can write here and can update all the page things. Shasmaga Temple Road. Like that, you can update also. Whatever you will update here, it will show you on the preview page. Okay, now just click on the option contact us page. You can see इस तरह जो भी आप लिखोगे यहाँ पे अपडेट हो जाएगा सारा कुछ. So it's very easy. Okay, so you can do practice on your computer by installing this application. Name is Bitnami. Okay, I told you the name, Bitnami. Okay, so please install this application on your computer. Okay, it will help you to do practice on your computer for WordPress. इसको इंस्टॉल कर लेना और प्रैक्टिस करना. एंड आई होप सबको ये समझ में आ गया है. और फिर भी कोई प्रॉब्लम होगा तो यू कैन आस्क मी. ओके, if still you have any doubt, any confusion and questions, so you can ask me. Okay, thank you all of you.